Lorraine O'Neill, 63, from Mould Green, was left at her wits' end when Kirklees Council left a fridge freezer standing in her front garden for 4 months. Lorraine paid Kirklees Council £20 in February 2019 to come and collect the offending fridge via their bulky household waste removal programme, but they failed to remove it. To qualify to have your appliances removed under the bulky household waste removal programme, the council require the unwanted items to be placed outside, where collection will take place at some point between 7 a.m. the next working day up to 3 weeks. However, Lorraine was left suffering after waiting 19 weeks for the council to do the job she paid them £20 to do. "It has been on display the whole time," Lorraine complained. "The neighbours have been saying, 'When's that bloody fridge going? It's embarrassing.'" Lorraine called the council 5 times to get an update on the failed collection, but has been let down consistently. "One time, they tried to say I'd not paid them, but I had proof. Then they apologised and said they'd collect it on the 19th of June. It didn't go, and they said they had been but couldn't see it. It's stuck in my front garden, in front of my window. All the neighbours can see it." But good news was on the horizon for Lorraine when Kirklees Council on the 2nd of July 2019 said, "We apologise for the delay and inconvenience caused. There's been a technical issue with our system which was preventing the order coming through. We will be collecting the item today."